Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in into SoundCloud on Google TV and Android TV. Even though there isn't a full native TV application in many regions, you can still sign in and listen to your TV easily. So first of all, on your Google TV or Android TV, simply open the Google Play Store. Here in the Google Play Store, you need to search for SoundCloud. If it is available for your device, you just have to install it directly and open it. When it launches, simply select the option of sign in. You can log in here with the help of your email address or with the help of your Google account, then Apple ID, or the same method that you need on your phone. Now enter your details and your playlists and the likes will sync automatically with it. Now if the SoundCloud application is not available on your TV, you just have to simply open the built-in TV browser and you need to cast it from your phone. So on your phone, you just have to open soundcloud.com application, or you can come here on soundcloud.com in your web browser. When you tap on the option of the cast icon, you can select the TV. Your account stays logged in on your phone and it also going to play through the TV. You can also install the SoundCloud on your phone or tablet, and then you can use Bluetooth to connect the TV or the TV soundbar, then control everything from your phone while the sound plays on the TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.